Hello, dear friends and English learners all around the world. Welcome to Podcast Your English, and today is a very special day. It's our 50th episode. Can you believe we've made it to 50?
Hi everyone, Daniel speaking, and I'm honestly so happy right now. 50 episodes. Eva, we should get a cake or something.
Yes, virtual cake for everyone listening. Today's topic is perfect for beginners, levels A1 and A2. We're going to talk about one of the most common questions in English. How are you today? And, most importantly, all the simple, natural, real-life answers you can give.
Many students think they need to answer with long sentences like, I am feeling quite well because the weather is nice and I had a good breakfast. But in real conversations, native speakers almost never say that. They use short phrases, 2 to 5 words maximum. That's what we're going to learn and practice today.
Exactly. We'll explain when to use each answer, what it really means, how it sounds in different situations, and we'll give you lots of examples. Ready? Let's start with the easiest and most popular ones.
Okay, Eva, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. Nice and simple, right? Let's break them down properly, slowly and clearly. 1. I'm fine. This is the #1 most common answer in the whole English-speaking world. When to use it? Literally anytime, any place, any person. Shop assistant, teacher, boss, stranger, friend. Real meaning, my life is normal. Nothing especially good, nothing especially bad. It's very polite and very safe. Even if someone is having a terrible day, they often still say, I'm fine. Examples. Cashier, how are you today? You. I'm fine, thanks. Just buying milk. Teacher, good morning, class. How are you today? Students, we're fine.
Now, a little warmer version, I'm good. Number 2, I'm good. When to use it? With friends, classmates, people you know a bit, informal situations. Real meaning, I feel okay plus. I'm satisfied. Life is nice right now. It sounds friendlier than fine. Examples. Friend on the phone. Hey, how are you today? You. I'm good. Just finished my homework. Colleague in the morning. Morning, how are you? You. I'm good, thanks. Coffee is helping already.
Next level of positivity, I'm great. Number 3, I'm great. When to use it? When you really feel happy, energetic, or something good happened recently. Real meaning, I feel excellent. I'm in a very good mood. This one shows real enthusiasm. Examples. Friend, how are you today? You. I'm great. I got a new job yesterday. Mom, how are you, sweetie? You. I'm great, thanks. The sun is shining and I feel amazing.
And if you want to sound even more excited, young, or cool, try these. Very popular with teenagers and 20 to 30-year-olds. I'm fantastic, super strong positive. I'm awesome, modern, confident, a bit funny. I'm wonderful, sounds a little more elegant or romantic. I'm excellent, proud and strong. I'm super, short and very casual.
Now let's move to neutral, relaxed, everyday answers. These are super useful. Number 4, I'm okay. When to use it? Things are not great, but also not terrible. You're managing. Real meaning, so-so, nothing special, I'm surviving. Examples. Friend, how are you today? You. I'm okay, it's Monday, you know. After a long day, I'm okay, just very tired. Number 5, I'm all right. Almost the same as okay, but sounds a tiny bit more British, very natural. Number 6, I'm not bad, or not too bad. When to use it? Very common in UK, Australia, Ireland, Canada. Real meaning, secretly means actually quite good, but you're being modest or casual. It's a funny English habit. We don't like to sound too happy sometimes. Examples. Colleague, how's it going today? You. Not bad at all. Friend, how are you? Not too bad, thanks. Better than yesterday.
Now, very cozy English words that native speakers love, especially in cold countries. Number 7, I'm cozy. When to use it? Winter or autumn, you're at home, warm blanket, tea or hot chocolate, maybe it's raining or snowing outside. Real meaning, I feel physically and emotionally warm, comfortable, safe, and happy in my little space. This word became extremely popular in the last 5 to 7 years. Examples: friend calls, "Hey, what's up? How are you today? I'm so cozy right now. Blanket, candles, and it's storming outside. Perfect." Instagram story: rainy Sunday, I'm cozy and not planning to leave the house. Opposite feelings, weather related. 8. I'm cold. Very common in winter. Example: I'm cold, please bring me a sweater. 9. I'm hot. Summer, no air conditioning. Example: I'm so hot today, I can't think straight.
Now let's talk about energy levels. These answers are extremely useful every single day. 10. I'm tired. When? After work, school, party, travel, studying a lot. Real meaning, I need rest soon. Everyone understands this feeling. 11. I'm sleepy. Stronger than tired, you can barely keep your eyes open. Example: I'm sleepy. I think I'll go to bed in 10 minutes.
12. I'm energetic. When? Good sleep plus coffee plus nice weather plus good mood. Example: I'm energetic today. Let's go for a run. 13. I'm relaxed. When? No stress, maybe after yoga, massage, holiday. Example: I'm so relaxed after the weekend. 14. I'm stressed. When? Exams, deadlines, problems at work. Example: I'm a bit stressed, but I'll be okay. Always try to add something positive at the end.
Emotional answers, best used with close friends or family. 15. I'm happy. Clear joy. 16. I'm excited. Something good is coming soon. A trip, concert, birthday. 17. I'm sad. Something bad happened. Use carefully. 18. I'm disappointed. You wanted something, but it didn't happen. 19. I'm upset. Mixture of angry plus sad.
Food section, because food is very important in conversations. 20. I'm hungry. Classic at 12 to 1400 hours and 18 to 2100 hours. 21. I'm starving. Very hungry. Dramatic, but common. 22. I'm full. After big lunch or dinner. 23. I'm satisfied. The food was really good.
Morning special expressions. 24. I'm still waking up. 7 to 9 a.m. Brain not fully on yet. 25. I'm ready for the day. After coffee and breakfast. 26. I'm not a morning person. Funny way to say mornings are hard.
Modern, young, internet-style answers. Very popular 2023-2025. 27. I'm chillin' or I'm chill. Completely relaxed, no worries. 28. Good vibes only. Everything feels positive. 29. I'm living my best life. Joking when things are going extremely well. 30. I'm thriving, growing, and feeling strong.
Let's do a long, natural, real-life conversation so you can hear how everything mixes.
Okay, imagine we meet in a park on Saturday.
Hey Eva, long time no see. How are you today?
Hi, Daniel. Oh, I'm great, thanks. The weather is perfect. And you?
I'm pretty good actually. A little tired because I stayed up late, but I'm happy. Had a nice breakfast.
Sounds good. Yesterday, I was super cozy all evening. Blanket, tea, Christmas movie. I didn't want to leave the sofa.
Haha, I love that feeling. Are you relaxed today too?
Very. But tomorrow, I'll probably be stressed. Big project at work.
Same here. Right now though, I'm chill, just enjoying the sun.
By the way, are you hungry? I see an ice cream van.
Oh, yes, I'm starving. Let's go.
Perfect. So, how have you been feeling this week in general?
Honestly, I'm good. Some days tired, some days energetic, but overall positive.
I like that. I'm positive. It's a strong answer.
Yes, so dear listeners, remember the golden rule. Short answer plus small smile equals beautiful natural English. Quick big list of today's best answers. Repeat after us. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm great. Fantastic. Awesome. Wonderful. Excellent. Super.
I'm okay. All right. Not bad. Not too bad. I'm cozy. Warm and comfortable. I'm cold. I'm hot. I'm tired. Sleepy. I'm energetic. Relaxed. I'm stressed, but I'll be okay. I'm happy. Excited. I'm sad. Disappointed. Upset with close people. I'm hungry. Starving. Full. Satisfied. I'm chillin'. I'm chill. I'm positive, good vibes only. I'm thriving, living my best life.
Practice every day. Say it to the mirror. Say it to your cat, dog, or plant. Say it to your family or friends. Record yourself on your phone.
Mix them. Real examples you can use tomorrow. I'm good, but a little tired. I'm cozy and happy today. I'm excited and hungry at the same time. I'm okay Monday, you know? I'm not bad. Actually, quite good.
That's real English. Short, honest, full of life.
Thank you so much for celebrating our 50th episode with us.
We are so grateful you're here learning with us week after week.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep using these simple answers. They will make your English sound natural very fast.
And now, your homework. Answer out loud right now. How are you today?
We're waiting to hear your voice in our hearts.
See you in the next episode. Stay awesome, stay positive, and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Merry learning.